Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install, and I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive. But you can open your door without it, like this. Or like this. Sesame senses when my phone is nearby and gets ready for my special knock. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da!
This is the internet. And now, it works everywhere. You see, this little guy connects to the internet over cellular. And when he comes online, exciting things happen. Like a smart weather balloon. Or wallets that know where they are. Or a cellular gyro. Gyro? Lamb sandwich. With the simplicity of an Arduino and the power of an ARM chip. This is the Electron. I'm Zach from the Spark team, and we're in California. When you imagine a cellular network, you probably think about mobile phones, tablets, and hotspots. But there's a whole other industry of cellular connected things, like parking meters, shipping containers, and point of sale. In the industry, this is called M2M, or machine to machine, and we're here to bring M2M to you. To you. Sorry. We've created a cellular development board called the Electron. It's just like the Spark Core and the Photon, except it's got a cellular modem instead of a Wi-Fi module. It uses the same code and cloud backend, so if you've ever picked up an Arduino or heard of a REST API, you'll feel right at home. Included with the Electron will be a SIM card. And whose logo's on the SIM? We're becoming a carrier, an MVNO for the Internet of Things. We've lined up cheap plans for low bandwidth products, a few bucks a month and no contracts. It's like a family plan, and you guys are our family. So now you can design the connected future and bring your backpack, your bike, and your boogie board online. And your boomerang, no matter where they are. And then the only question is, where will you go first?
We like having things right away. When you need a cup of coffee, you just push the lever down. Calling a cab is now as easy as tapping for one. And when programming, you can see if your code works at the click of a button. With the Volterra V1, if you need custom circuit boards, just press Prynt.
We've all been there. We send a circuit design off to a factory, wait 2 weeks for delivery, only to find that there's a mistake. A design takes a couple of iterations to perfect, but who's got the time for version 2, 3, or 4? Just create your layout in whatever program you're already comfortable with. Pass our software the Gerber files, and then press Prynt. We designed this tool to help hardware developers see their ideas come to life faster than ever before. We use conductive and insulating ink to create fully functional 2-layer circuit boards without ever having to email files around or wait for the FedEx truck.
Well, nowadays people take thousands of pictures with their cell phones, but they never look at them. So we decided to create an object that will make them able to share pictures with their friend and family in a tangible way.
Say your piece, bring Prynt is the first smartphone case that prints out pictures instantly.
You just have to plug your smartphone, snap a picture, and it will print instantly.
We worked during a year on about 15 different prototypes to come up with one product that's really easy to use. For example, it doesn't use Bluetooth technology or Wi-Fi.
You can take a picture, but you can also use pictures from Facebook, Instagram, any picture that is already on your smartphone.
My biggest design challenge was to create an object that will work with different types of smartphones.
We're compatible with the iPhone 5, the iPhone 6, and also the Galaxy S4 and Galaxy S5. And we're trying to bring it to more smartphones.
So we don't need any ink cartridge. All the ink is already in the paper. You just have to hit it and the picture will appear like magic.